Okay, on the count of 3, I'm gonna go I'm Mitch, and I'm gonna eat this grasshopper. Oh, with its head chopped. Oh, you filming? Okay, so okay, I'm Mitch, and we have grasshoppers from my aunt. That's from Thailand. Her name's and so I'm gonna eat this grasshopper in a chip. Eat. I'm scared.
Just do it.
Okay, you guys, we all have to count down.
Okay.
That's scared.
3.
No, 15.
15. Wow. Okay. 15, 14, 13,
Everybody has to do it.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Wait, times. Which one tastes better?
This one.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this one better. This better. Yeah, very good, very good. อร่อยมากๆเลย
How are we gonna do with these? Have been in a can for like a year.
พี่เขาถ่ายวิดีโออยู่ลูกพี่เขาถ่ายวิดีโออยู่
9, 8,
7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1,
Go.
Just do it. Just do it. Just do it.
Somebody has to double, triple, nipple dog.
I triple dog dare you. Whatever.
Yeah.
Like on the Christmas story.
Come on. Sure. I am. You're right.
Come on.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Okay.
What?
Just pop it like a pill.
Okay, pop it like a pill. I'm scared. I don't know why I'm scared.
Don't be scared. Good.
Okay, it's a chip with the cockroach in the middle. That's it.
It's a grasshopper.
Oh, it is that. That's okay. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. What does it taste like?
It tastes like a potato chip. That's all. Yeah, look, you have 2 potato chips, so it tastes like 3.
Here. I'm going to put this little fella down right there.
Okay, 5, 4, 3.
But we only have one nunchuck, so.
Come on.
Just do it.
Something else.
Are you guys
I'm running
still
out of time.
recording?
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
It's on video. It's going on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah, this one is.
Come on.
On Facebook, so all your friends can see.
Good.
Okay, so yeah. Okay, do you want me to hold it or not?
Just eat it. But you can only do it.
Alright, flip.
I'm about to shove it in your mouth.
But you can only do one person with it though. At a time.
I want to hear crunch, Mitchell.
Hi.
A little bit.
Who?
You're at 3 minutes right now.
Alright.
No.
It's
Okay.
the chip. Keep going.
Going.
Go.
Just chew. No, just keep on chewing. It's a potato chip.
Good. No.
Mitchell, if you're going to get sick, go to the bathroom.
Is he?
Oh boy. Are you okay? Oh yeah.
Oh, what's that?
That's when I threw up from it.
Oh, Brandon. That's not throw up, that's just a chip.
Ugh.
You're done. You didn't throw up.
No, I didn't. I just spit it out because of